last minute crafts for our little baby boy's first Halloween. Can you guys guess what Stefano's making? All of this neon green stuff. It's perfect.
Pretty alien to me.
Don't mind my giant sit. Put turmeric on it. Stef's the best dad ever. Cappy's just swaying so hard over there. And we got Little Star, we got some deep dish pizza action. Ooh, flat pizza. Caesar salad. Soul Vincent, are you the king of the jungle? Soul's first Halloween, outfit 1. Hello, sunshine. Look at that concentration. He's like, bitch, I'm not playing. He likes looking at himself. I like looking at you too. So we kind of failed yesterday because yesterday was kind of crazy. It was Halloween. We just need to get a family photo, and we missed out yesterday because I was super anxious, and by the time Steph got here, it was dark. We haven't even had our coffee yet, but we figured it's Dia de los Muertos. Let's at least show his first Halloween costume.
Alien
Let's christen
debut.
him.
This is his baptism. Father, Son, and Holy Ghost.
I'm situated. He's situated. His face.
His face. Oh God!
We've got a wild alien on the loose. He's so cute. Good morning. It is November 1st. I sound so congested because I didn't take my allergy meds yesterday. So this is what happens, you know, when you're allergic to your cats and you kind of mess up the regimen. Oh. Today is going to be somewhat of a productive day because I really got to get a video out this week, and it's November 1st, so it's like the new beginnings, a new month, and I'm deciding whether or not I want to keep doing my weekly vlogs or if I want to do a daily vlog. I think I'm going to save that for December, so leave a comment below and let me know which you guys prefer. We kind of failed yesterday. We forgot to take Soul's Halloween pics, so we did it this morning. Shh, don't tell, but hi. But yeah, Stefano's family is visiting next week, or yeah, on Saturday, and it's already Thursday, so we have lots of like deep cleaning to do, and then I gotta do a lot of stuff, so wish me luck. Wish us luck. Yeah. Oh goodness. First things first, I'm gonna make a to-do list. Today marks 2 years that I've been doing YouTube, and I would like to say this in another video because my allergies are too messed up, so maybe I'll like recollect my thoughts another time, but I don't sound like the creepy nasally guy from Hey Arnold. What to do, what to do. I also had pizza this morning. No F's given. None at all. Mom and Dad came over to help watch Soul while we deep clean our apartment last minute because the in-laws are coming tomorrow and our place has been very, very messy. It needs a deep, thorough clean. My dad got this beautiful plant for us. He is the plant master.
Hola. Mabuhay. Hello.
You're so wild. Really sorry I couldn't vlog today. It was so hot. It was 85 degrees in our apartment. Steph's been working in freezing. So finally, now that it's cold, can clean the apartment. Anybody else stress out when, you know, you have guests coming over? Yeah. Morning, we are on our way to the Alameda Flea Market, and guess who's here?
Hey, hey.
Papa Frank's, little soul, Stefano. Kaylee and Jordan are on their way. They took a separate car because, you know, the car seat situation, but we're here. Last time we were here, soul was in my belly, so very excited to be back. Currently trying to find some graphic tees because with my tank tops, my titties have been out and it's just unacceptable. Are you chewing? Sorry. I do always do this to you. The cookie stand. Hi. Hey, babe. So Vincent. Baby's first flea market. Mrs. Turco.
Love you so much. I do.
This is crazy.
I need to see
It's
you.
crazy that we're parents. We were just children a minute ago.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Baby clothes, baby clothes, baby clothes. Ah. HellaJam follower, what up? He spotted us. We're at the Alameda Flea Market.
Jamie, are you excited?
Like I said, I've been searching long and wide.
Far and wide?
Same thing. This is the first thing that I saw, and it was like $50. I was like, fuck that. And then I was walking out, I was like, but I love this color. And then I'm like sweating. Trying to...
She's sweating right now. Alright, say bye.
Dad bod, dad bod. Looking for the dad bod.
Come on.
Do I have something in my teeth?
Nope. You're good. I dare you to put all of it in your mouth.
Alright, ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, get it on camera though.
It's on camera. All of it? All of it? That, really? Oh. Hello, we are in Upper Haight, and Stefano used to live right here, and every time we drive through here, it's like, it always hits the feels that this is where I love this. Right now we're taking Jordan, our brother, to Parada 22, which is like the most underrated restaurant in San Francisco. Pops.
So cute. What? Oh my god. He's so cute.
He's only got one more day, and then Papa has to go home.
Yes, he does.
Soul's gonna miss you. Rocking my platform Vans. This jumpsuit is Japanese denim from Zara, and then this was my mama's. It's like a little 80s windbreaker. Oh, and this is from HY Works. Parada 22. So bomb. Happy birthday, Jordan. 22 forever. Are you filming? Because I'm filming you. Are you filming me? Mofongo. What'd you get, Pops?
It's the pollo encebollado.
Pastelón. Happy birthday, dear Jordan. Happy birthday to you. Soul has no idea, but this is where Steph and I had our first date. Where are we, baby?
Back here for our engagement pictures, right? And we
Yep.
shot it through the glass.
Yep.
That was good. I just had a memory and I was like, wait, did we do that or is it a dream? It was real.
And now our love child's here. Our Pops is here.
Grocer man strikes again. Every time.
That'd be a great like cartoon of your dad.
Dad, which one are you gonna take today?
Hello everyone, I just got done with my first ever podcast. I was so nervous, but Emily was so kind and so amazing, and once I just started talking, it was a lot of fun talking about thrifting and my passion of thrifting. And then I came out and Stefano, who was watching Soul, was creating music, and then Soul was just watching the Kardashians. Do you like it? Play your music. Let's see if he starts dancing.
What we got?
Do you like Daddy's music? Well, if it makes you feel any better, he was dancing before. If you guys haven't voted yet, today's voting day. And as I was breastfeeding, Stefano was reading me all the props. What did you use?
Ballot.fyi.
And it gave us nonpartisan
Opinions and facts.
about each prop.
Yeah, mostly facts.
The time is 5:47.
So we gotta go.
We gotta go.
We gotta vote.
I would show myself, but I was breastfeeding, so I'm like half naked. So here's Disco. Diskies, let's go. Come on.
He doesn't realize that
Time to walk Disco, and time to vote.
And get Taco Bell.
And we're to celebrate for being good, educated citizens in the United States to possibly, hopefully make change. We're celebrating by getting Taco Bell.
The worst offenders of animals.
We're voting. It's happening. We voted. Someone who was very chatty the entire time.